Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can insert SIM in OnePlus phone. So that's a very simple thing to do. You will need to start off with either some kind of injection tool like this, or a simple paperclip will do just fine as well. Now take your smartphone and look for the SIM card tray that usually stands out of the phone frame and looks exactly like so. So as you can see over here, there are very clean edges, and we can clearly see this little rectangle with the little hole inside it. Now put your injection tool or paperclip inside this hole, slightly push. As you can see, the SIM card tray pops right out. Now you gotta take it out, then take your SIM card or SIM cards in my case, see the instructions at the tray. Usually they tell you how should you position your SIM card in regards of this little rounded corner of your SIM card, or some models of phones obviously will have other type of SIM card tray which might not have the instructions or guidances on how you should position it, but the tray and the slot itself pretty much helps you to understand how you should put your SIM card. In a way that you just have to align the rounded corner on your SIM card with the rounded corner at the tray. So in my case, as I've already mentioned, I'm going to insert two SIM cards, then simply put the SIM card tray back to device like that. And as you can see, the system already recognized my SIM cards. Now I will wait for a few seconds for them to appear at the status bar, or I should disable the airplane mode first, I guess. Yep, so as you can see, both SIM cards were recognized and now work just fine. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.